We are the Darling Crew, myself Afrida and my friend Anchika, along with our team members Adarsh, Ganashyam, and Hita. We are excited to introduce LumoClean, an autonomous UVC disinfection robot designed to make schools, hospitals, and offices safer through smart, chemical-free cleaning technology. The challenges we face was traditional cleaning methods are no longer enough. Manual disinfection is time consuming, inconsistent, and exposes workers to harmful chemicals. Large indoor spaces like classrooms and hospitals demand huge effort and manpower. The COVID-19 pandemic clearly showed us how urgently we need safer, faster, and more efficient cleaning solutions. Understanding user needs was our user research revealed three key pain points. Cleaning takes too long, exposes workers to chemicals, and requires heavy manual labor. We wanted to design a system that eliminates these issues while maintaining the highest hygiene standards. Our solution for that, our guiding question was simple. How might we design a low-force, autonomous robot that disinfects into surfaces effectively without human supervision or chemicals? LumoClean provides complete coverage using UVC light technology, ensuring germ-free surfaces safely and automatically.
How LumoClean works. At its core, LumoClean uses a Arduino Uno as the brain of the system. A line array sensor helps it follow black line paths for autonomous movements. UVC LEDs at 254 nanometers sterilize surfaces as it moves. A Bluetooth module allows manual smartphone control, and a battery pack enables portable continuous operation. Testing results. We tested LumoClean in classrooms and small rooms. The robot successfully navigated predefined routes, disinfected efficiently and significantly, reducing manual cleaning work, all while operating safely without harmful chemicals. Future enhancements. In future versions, we aim to integrate AI-based room mapping, multi-spectral lighting, advanced navigation using LiDAR or GPS, and safety sensors that automatically turns off UV light when people are nearby. LumoClean shows how empathy-driven design can create real-world impact by understanding user challenges and applying simple yet creative technology. We have built a robot that makes indoor spaces cleaner, safer, and smarter. It's proof that even simple innovation, when guided by empathy, can truly transform lives. Thank you.